Hey everyone, this is Swikriti. I am a graduate student at the Institute of Plant Breeding, Genetics and Genomics at the University of Georgia. In this video, I'll be introducing cross-pollination in peanut plants. Peanut plants are self-pollinating in nature. This reproductive proclivity is due to the nature of flowers in peanut plants, which contain both male and female parts. These type of flowers are also called perfect flowers. To understand how pollination works, it is important to understand the anatomy of a peanut flower. There are four major parts: standard or banner, a set of wings, keel, and anthers and stigma. Anthers and stigma are covered by the keel, and during self-pollination, the pollen from the anthers is released to the stigma, which then leads to fertilization. During cross-pollination, we introduce the pollen from under flower to the stigma of the desired plant. This technique is used to introduce desired traits from male plant that provides the pollen to the female plant, the plant that receives the pollen. Pollination is conducted in 2 days. On day 1, we conduct emasculation, which is basically removal of anthers from the flowers of female plant. On day 2, we pollinate the emasculated flowers with the pollen from the flowers of the male plant. Materials required for the pollination are designated male and female plants, 70% ethanol, threads to tag the pollinated flowers, curved forceps, and flat-surfaced forceps. Now let's see how we conduct cross-pollination in peanuts.